I don't bring an update from the senior Hisbah officer. For now, we don't forget this matter. I'll go bring back on our consciousness. When I remember the man where I tell una say they catch him for hotel with one married woman. Where in your duty as the officer, this one where they talk to Nana for Kano. In duty now to they go around all those people where they commit immoral acts, where they catch them for hotel. Those people where now them even they destroy by if you they say any alcoholic thing they go come destroy. Now the man matter bring. When I remember say the last time they catch up for hotel with one married woman, and that one na him duty now to arrest anybody wey catch for hotel. Where they can't catch up, my people. The latest one now concerning that matter, they say the woman where they catch am with, according to them, will not be me talk up. They say no be any married woman, no. They say na im daughter. They say na im pikin, no be any married woman, no be anybody wife. Na im own very pikin. Hypocrisy. See, I not just know Nigeria, una don't too take us for granted. Like, even small pikin, they know when una dey insult them. They know to talk of we be adults. Una see us finish. Your daughter. Wait, my question now be say, how come since this matter where they talk about happened like how many months ago? Since now una don't do investigation finish, una can't find out say na im daughter. So the same day when una catch am with the married woman, una no see say na im daughter. They wrap the woman face. They use super glue, put hair on top. Una no see the face. So now it take 3-5 months to know person and in pikin. We need open YouTube channel for Nigeria. No, we need open YouTube channel so that we go just start to make money they go. Because just imagine if Nigeria don't already get YouTube account. We don't know how many billions we for don't they get now in dollars. We just they waste all these things. We just they waste time. Your pikin. Oh yeah, now make we just believe say they don't know that day. So this man now, according to your own post where you supposed to arrest people, you carry your pikin go there. Anyhow, when I want on this matter, I get where I go catch you now. So you carry your pikin enter hotel. Wait till I go do family meeting. Una they plan how una family go grow. How they voila. Hey. So now my people, my problem now with this man, be say as the senior, this will not be just any normal person, na senior officer. Now he be the head of all of them. So you as the senior one, see what they do. So now my question now be say, abeg, who want arrest this man? Because we already know in this country, nothing like you're under arrest, you are this one, you are that one, nothing like that. We know that woman no be any. All these plenty things when they come outside they talk. Na lie. That woman no be any family. See, they don't threaten that woman. They don't threaten her. Say, may she better go lie. Now, why now did they come and say, no be she. You yourself, you are foolish. As you, that woman, you are, in fact, you are even the most foolish person in this matter. You prefer to tarnish somebody's image and lie. In fact, I beg, I don't like the waste time for matter like this. As I talk to Nana, those two people, may they just carry them. In fact, 3 with the daughter. Because I didn't show say that one. She go come outside, come to say, yes, not true. I was with my father. 3 of you, may una just enter prison straight. Forget this talk. May we just forget them. May they enter prison. They don't catch you. You no go admit say they don't catch you. May you apologize or make you face punishment. You even involve. You know even the shame. You even involve your daughter inside this matter. Una don't see us finish. Una don't see us. If all of us start to calculate our age, they tell una go no say wetin una dey do sef na child's play. Una don't see us finish for this our age, and una dey expect say we go sit down. Anything una tell us we go drink am. Na true. Ongwanu, na true. Since I wait till now 1 year, not true, but we know the truth. We no go argue with una. My people, just imagine. I say I go bring this one because I know say I don't promise una latest update. Now as I see am, I say na lie. I must bring a corner table. So una don't hear am. They say no be the married woman. They say na in pikin. Wait till you guys talk concerning this matter. I don't bring her. So drop her for that comment section, and I go reply on her one by one as usual. Make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say the senior is bad. Don't go do family meeting for hotel room with him pikin. Very very important. And if you never subscribe, see my hand, I beg, just click on that thing, support your girl, you understand? Stay tuned for our next story. Nigerian youths don dey vex now, they don go burn Imo police station. No be small matter, my people. They say the police people kill 2 siblings. 2, no be 1. They kill them straight. And according to matter wey reach me, they say 1 na girl, 1 na boy. You understand? So the girl, im boss put her inside prison. I no know crime wey she commit to. Im boss go carry and go arrest am. Okay, as she dey there now, na there the matter start to my people. They say they come dey rape this girl inside prison. They come dey rape am. And as they rape am finish, they come serve am food. Be like say the food get one poison or something. I don't know where they go bring the food from. After she eat that food, now there wahala start. She no come dey feel herself again. She no come dey feel. Instead of make they carry and go hospital, as smart as our police officers are, make I not to say foolish. As smart as they are, they go carry the girl go their house. Now there they meet the brother. As they reach the house now. Now so they come tell the brother say, now your sister be this, so carry her go hospital. The brother say, how you go tell me make her carry my sister go hospital? No, before on her hand she been there. Now so the guest start dey explain before she go even finish explanation, like she dey explain, give the brother everything wey she experienced for there. And so this girl just pass out right in front of him brother. Now so the brother won't start dey attack police people. Say una must bring my sister back. Una know how those movements they go. And so they shoot the brother the life and direct. And so this guy just die. So as I talk to now, Imo police station, they on fire. They carry the 2 dead body, put her in front of the police station. They burn the police station itself. They can't burn all their patrol cars. They burn. In fact, no be small burning. So I bet for now, we don't know wait till they shell now. Join me, make we watch the video.
Police station is on fire. Shuek is on fire, police station is on fire. Police station is on fire.
Nigeria. No wonder they sing Naija, jaga jaga. Everything is kata. It be like say, see, that guy will sing that he see the future. Because that song na sings, he see the future. I don't know when we go hear good news. I know just know. Good news now come be like, wait till I go even call herself. It be like money. He had to find. Good news in Nigeria. In fact, you fit even find money save. Money where everybody they complain. No money, no money. You go even find money before you go find good news. I know this one will happen now. Person go tell me, Madam Aproko, there is no governor. There is no governor. No dey that place now as it happen. No, he travel. I be they sleep. I be see. I don't tire. If you know how I don't tire for all these officers, anything uniform in Nigeria now, it make me like make I just carry gun shoot. Anything uniform, they know they value life. They know just the value, and they preserve their own. But when it comes to other people own, they don't even care. I beg my fellow youths, I dey talk to those ones where they burn that place now. See, I know so they do this thing out of anger. Relax. If you wanna go think say they can't support police people, I know if you do it. But wait, I want to tell now be say, see, this thing one they do, burning of the police and this one, no be the solution. Una know they get me. See, you go burn police station. You burn the cars. The people wey commit the thing, they don't go. So you go just dey continue to dey borrow one police station to another, they go continue to dey build. And the same people wey make that crime, they go put them in another police station where another crime go still happen. Now the reason are now. So if you wan deal with something, abeg me, I no like violence, but this one, forget am. You understand? If you wan deal with something, deal with something. This police station one na dey do, because now my people, if we say ngwanu make we report, make court enter inside, make this one na till 2030 before we go hear say okay, they don bring up the case, they don this one, they don this one. 2030 before e go happen. Una rape girl, e no do una poison am, e no do una. She still die. Even as she die, una eye still never clear, una still shoot the brother. Hey see, if you know, listen very well, because I know they joke. If you know say they watch me now, your father na uniform person. If you know be prayerful person, yeah, in fact, you are on the verge of falling. Because normally not supposed better for you, because see, all our prayers it go against all of una. Yes, so in case una no know, many people they carry their parents sin. Things wey their parents don't do before, e go come face their own children. It dey happen, no be African magic. So if you know say your father be hey, if I be you, I go start to dey advise my papa, say daddy, don't be doing this, don't be doing this. Because these people, e dey very clear, lack of training. They no train una. They no train una. They go just see person for street. Hey, what's up? Come here. Give am uniform. Carry gun. Give am. That one too go stand like there for streets. Say they control people. Now why una no just feel reason? Now why una no? No, we dey wait. We dey wait, because I know say as this thing happen now, don't dead, they go hear up. And now we dey wait, make they come outside, come give us their own nonsense reason. It didn't happen, we did not. We dey wait for that una nonsense English when I won't come speak. I beg for una way they there, because I hear say 2 witnesses even see them. Say they see as the thing happen. Una wey no say una be there when the thing happen. Now be say una remember these people face. So biko, look for the pictures and post am. It is very, very important, because we dey look for them. They must pay for the thing wey they don't do. They don't go free. Very important. So because all of una wey no say una been there as this thing happen, una see those officers start dey put the pictures down. Una get power. Una go just dey come outside. Hey, this one, you don't respect my uniform. Uniform Oshiwo. Which uniform? Boko Haram go come, una go run. Bandits go come, una go run. This one go come, una go run. But if na people wanna say no even carry weapons, una get power, and then una go come outside with those una skeleton body way be like. See, make una continue. You gonna go soon meet youth way they go finish all of una. Make una continue. My people, this thing, in fact, 2 people just die. Now the sad part of this matter, where they talk like this. 2 siblings just die, just they feel for the parents, and that one say, now if they get parents, what if these people they survive on their own? Now only God go help us for Nigeria. I beg, una need share this video. Una need share this video so that those police people will go start it, because they need pay for the thing where they don't do. You understand? And if una no share out, how people go no say this thing don't happen? Very, very important. And drop your comment there. Anything you think concerning this matter, drop and there. I will reply now one by one. And make sure say you subscribe so that you no go miss any hot video like this one. Stay tuned for our next stories.